It's me, Zoomer, again. And we are going to do a full review. And here is our host, John Watson. Take it away, John. Alright, thank you, Zoomer. And yes, this is going to be another food review video. And this time, this is the first time I ever tried something like this. It's Reese's Chocolate Lava Big Cup. Again, it's the first time I ever tried this. I bought this at a grocery store here in Fairmount. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Excuse me. And okay, wow. These are pretty big. Okay. Alright, I'll map this there. Okay. See what they look like. Okay. Okay. A little chocolate in the middle there with the peanut butter. Pretty good. Oh, gotta be careful there. All right. Not bad at all. Well, I want to thank you for watching this food review video. And I will try to do more puppet skits soon. And may God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and take care.